Namaskar. Nowadays, I find many couples facing serious problems in their relationship, and that is expression of anger. An angry spouse or partner is a difficult challenge in any relationship. Anger can seriously make you question your love for partner. Anger can really make you doubt if your relationship is real or worth it. See, don't let anger destroy your love. Like all other challenges of life and love, an angry spouse too can be banished and changed. All you need to know and learn this how to do it. So let me tell you 5 different ways to deal with angry spouse. First, avoid taking their anger personally. See, when someone is angry, they may say a lot of things which they don't actually mean. Many of us make the mistake of taking an angry person's words too hard. This makes us hurt, and we respond to their anger with our hurt responses. That is an exchange of words, and the matter gets worse. Remember, what an angry person says about you is not truth. Don't take their words so seriously, personally. Think of it as an angry elephant who has lost his senses for a while. Is it wise to think that such an elephant's words or actions are true or real? So remember, don't take your spouse's anger personally. Second point, be assertive yet calm. Sometimes your partner's anger may be very harsh. Their action or words may affect your self-esteem. In such cases, you can politely and calmly tell them that such behavior is hurting you. It is not acceptable. Never be afraid to take a stand for yourself when your spouse's anger is affecting your self-esteem. If you don't tell that his behavior or the partner's behavior is unacceptable, then such situations will occur again and again. And all this will affect your feelings further. And even when their anger calms down, then you will not be able to let go the suppressed resentment inside you. So always assert yourself calmly and firmly when you think that their anger is crossing the bounds of acceptability. Third, reflect on your action. Sometimes we trigger our spouse's emotional reactions. When two people are living together, this can happen sometime. We can end up doing something that can make our spouse angry. Now, if you have made a mistake, always reflect on your action and take responsibility for your part in causing your spouse's anger. Taking responsibility and apologizing when you are wrong does not make you smaller in any case. It simply shows that you are matured enough to know that love is more important. Fourth, practice Karuna and Upeksha. The Yoga Sutra says that Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha are 4 keywords for peace. And in dealing with an angry spouse, Karuna and Upeksha can be your superpower. Karuna is also what we call as empathy. It is asking you to understand your spouse when they are suffering emotionally in anger. Because anger is nothing else but the series of turbulent emotions when they feel unsafe and threatened. Karuna Bhav is asking you to understand the state of your partner. Upeksha or detachment teaches you to ignore or detach from all that which influences negativity. Ignore their anger and seize those good qualities which your partner has positively. This will really help you to deepen the bonding with your spouse. This will show them that you are different and understand the difficult part of their personality. Fifth, finally, don't react immediately now. Anger is a difficult emotion. An angry person is already overcharged. In this state, if you too will react, then the matter will become worse. It is like 2 fires burning and they would end up in ashes. Remember, an angry person can never listen to you, and understanding is out of question. Let them calm down first. Then only you can tell them your perspective. Talk to your spouse only when they are calmer and receptive. And when you talk to them, be gentle, calmer, and avoid accusing them, blaming them for problems. Gently try to help them to see your side also. Your conversation should be like a negotiation and not an argument. These 5 tips may be little difficult to adopt because our mind is trained to respond anger with anger. Rethink that by being angry and aggressive, we are as if showing how strong and powerful we are. But no, you are mistaken. This is not true. Anger is an emotional response. It means right now, angry person is not thinking rationally, intellectually. Learn to manage anger both with yourself and with others. Never take any decision from a place of anger or pain. That is the best way to stay with your love and in relationship from the dangers of anger. Understand what is more important, who is right, who is wrong, who did mistake and who did not. After all, give more importance to love, compassion, being together. All wrong things will slowly settle down if there is love between each other. Don't take anything at heart when the words are spoken under the influence of anger, since person's senses are not working. Person is just using his emotion which are negative right now. So be calm and let everything settle down and be together, live happily and lovingly. Namaskar.